Okay, you guys, so in this video, I got a wonderful miracle tea for you guys, okay? Now, this tea is made from one of the most powerful, well-known superfoods. It's not just an herb, it's a superfood. This is an herb that provides your body with wonderful health benefits. There's some things about turmeric that you really should know about. In fact, did you know that turmeric has an excellent supply of amino acids? And these amino acids are what's going to drive away all of those free radicals in your body. Turmeric also has potent anti-aging and anti-inflammatory properties. And what that's going to do is it's going to help to prevent premature aging while reducing any inflammatory conditions that you may be having in your body. These conditions could be like gout, arthritis, or rheumatism. If you drink 1 glass of warm turmeric tea every morning on an empty stomach, you're going to see how your health is going to improve significantly. You're going to feel and see the difference in your health. The things that you're going to notice by drinking this tea daily is the anti-inflammatory properties. So if there's any type of pain in your body, aches, joints, arthritis, gout, those type of things, drinking this every day, okay, not just 7 days, but I'm just giving you a challenge for 7 days so that you can see the difference in your body. But you can drink this every day for the rest of your life and receive wonderful, great benefits from drinking turmeric tea. So one of the wonderful things is the anti-inflammatory properties to help heal your joints from any type of pain or inflammation. Turmeric has more powerful anti-inflammatory properties than the most popular anti-inflammatory drug. Drinking this every day, your digestive system is going to get a boost, as it can also help to improve the production of bile in your liver, which is needed to break down those fatty foods that we eat. Drinking this consistently, you will also effectively alkaline your body. And by doing that, you will make it ultimately impossible for tumors or cancerous cells to thrive. One other wonderful benefit you will be getting while drinking this tea is that the active compounds in turmeric, known as curcumin, will help to unclog your arteries and free it from plaque, which can lead to serious cardiovascular conditions like strokes or heart attacks. The warm turmeric water also has the potential for boosting brain functions and the prevention of degenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease and dementia. The curcumin in turmeric will also increase the level of BDNF, otherwise known as brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which will effectively reverse any cognitive disorders that may happen due to aging. So for all of our parents, even some of us, because of your age, your brain is slowing down, you may show some signs of forgetfulness, your body may even be going through some early stages of Alzheimer's or dementia. Okay, right here, start drinking your turmeric miracle water tea. Turmeric will also boost the function of your liver so that it can generate more bile while cleansing it from any harmful toxins that may cause damage to it. So in closing, you guys, consuming turmeric water daily will slow down the aging process and prevent premature aging due to free radicals in the body. So thank you so much for joining me. This is an awesome thing to start doing, you guys. Believe you me, prevention is best, okay? And for those of us that are reaching that age, all right, where our body's going to start slowing down, start drinking your turmeric tea water. Flavor it with some honey, stevia. Okay, if you want to throw some milk in there, a little milk cream, just a little cream, just to make it more tasteful, you can do so. But the wonderful, awesome benefits of turmeric is going to do your body wonderfully good, okay? All right, you guys. Simple, easy recipes to create in your kitchen. All of these herbs are wonderful, not only for cooking and flavoring your food, but also for your body. Okay. Now this is what I call turmeric tea, and it's miracle water. I'm going to explain to you why I call it miracle water, and it has so many wonderful properties involved in this wonderful powerhouse herb. Now, today we're going to be making this tea. Simple, easy. All of you've made tea before. But we're going to be using our turmeric, okay? And in doing so, before that, of course, you know you need your boiling water. Well, I just so happen to be boiling some water, and I will be pouring that into my cup. Okay, you're going to need 8 ounces of water, boiling water, and you're also going to need a half a teaspoon of your turmeric powder. Okay, half a teaspoon. Alright, so 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and that's it. Listen, I can't drink tea just like that. I have to flavor my tea. So as an option, you are welcome to flavor it with some honey. Now a teaspoon of honey will do just the trick. So we're going to put a teaspoon of honey into our water. The best thing to do is when adding honey, make sure that your tea has been cooled down first, so this way you do not destroy the natural enzymes inside the honey. Okay, you can stop here and just drink it like that if you choose to, but with me, I like a little bit something extra. Now for you, those of you tea drinkers that like milk, I will also be using some of my almond milk. All right, just a little bit, give it a little creamy taste. And that's it. There's your tea. There you got it, you guys. Your turmeric tea. Delicious, okay? Delicious. So until the next video, you guys, thank you for joining me. And until then, I will see you in the next video. Bye. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.